Don't touch that one. That one's the hot one. That won't be very comfortable. Oh my gosh, Owen, that's going to be so cold. Can you turn it down a little bit? There you go. Is that cold? Cold or hot? Cold, yeah. All done? You want more water?
Voila. I'm gonna go.
Yeah, what are you going to do with that water? Are you going to drink it? Oh, careful. Our water is pretty full to be splashing. No, I don't think so. You want to say goodbye to the camera? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.